Hello everyone.
I hope you are doing well.
Today we have the second long vowel. Listen please. Oo, oo. It is the equivalent for O. And
It looks partially like O.
long vowels are extended sounds and take time of 2 counts. Oo, oo.
As you're taking time for pronouncing 2 letters.
Oo, oo.
To pronounce it correctly, place your lips in a circle.
Oo, oo.
Actually, the shape of your lips when you pronounce it
Looks like the head of the letter. I guess this makes it easy to connect the shape of the letter with its sound. Oo, oo. Please repeat after me and focus on the shape.